Good afternoon. This is Dwayne from Red Deere Motors, your heavy truck and equipment consultant. Just in today to our dealership, we have a 2012 John Deere model 310 SJ Backhoe 4x4 Extend-A-Hoe. This unit is in next to new condition with only 1,173 original hours on the hour meter. The interior is extra clean, well taken care of machine. I'll step down out of the interior here. Do a walk around here for you. This unit comes with 4 attachments. We have a 24-inch digging bucket, a 36-inch cleanout bucket, a ripper, and an NPK C4C packer. Walk around the other side here. As you can see, the paint is in excellent condition. Also, it has rear auxiliary hydraulics to the back to be able to run any attachments you wish. The tires are original, in excellent condition. If you're looking for a one-of-a-kind, next to new backhoe, please call Red Deere Motors.